Well, the goal in life is always to have foundation-free skin.
Yes.
And I feel like you have amazing tips and tricks to help us get there.
Of course, of course, of course. So the Essence is a product I love.
I love the Essence category. It's kind of new
I'm
to
happy
people.
To hear that.
Yeah.
It is not cleaning the skin. It's the first step of your skincare regimen, or the second after cleansing.
Okay.
It contains clinolactin, lactic acid, and malic acid, which is apple acid, so acids. But, which is very special, we also have fern extracts in that essence, which are highly antioxidative and also anti-inflammatory. So we all know food acid essences, but there's none on the market which combines those three things, like being antioxidative, being anti-inflammatory, and also have fruit acids in.
So tell me about this Royal Fern complex.
It's a patent where I'm very proud of, so I have the patent on the complex. It's not only fern extracts, we combined the fern extracts with 4 other ingredients, active ingredients, plant-based. So one are huacanga seeds, that's an evergreen tree in Africa. Then we do have sea buckthorn, which is good to moisturize. We have wild rose blossoms because they are high in vitamin C, and we do have mineral oxides because they do reflect UV light. It's not an SPF, that's important to say. And they also cause a kind of blurring effect, which is more cosmetic.
I love a blurring effect.
Of course, it's a good effect.
Yes. And so why is it so fluid? It kind of has a water-like consistency, very lightweight.
It's almost a serum because the high percentage of active ingredients, which is important to say.
So it's super concentrated.
It's super concentrated, and this is why you should not use it with a cotton pad. You just splash it on your hands and do it all over your face, and then let it soak in. It's like a primer. It's perfect because it prepares your skin already for the next following steps.
I love the way it smells.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's done by a parfumer and grass, so reflecting the fern, reflecting the doctor.
So an essence is really like an extra boosting step, right? So I think a lot of us think we cleanse, we use a serum, and we moisturize, but this additional step can really take your skin to the next level. And I love how lightweight, it's like a whisper weight formula. It sinks in immediately. You can't, there's no film on the surface. Goes right in. Makes me feel like it's going to the places that it needs to go to. It's light daily exfoliation.
Super light, and it's suitable for all skin types. And like all the products, it's gender neutral, so for men and women.
So then what you're going to notice is brightening, overall evening of skin tone.
Pores, of course.
Yes. Because that's the hallmark, I think, of going foundation free, is like, you know, kind of trying to minimize the look of large pores, but this will help with that. What else can I do to really get that poreless, clear complexion?
What I always recommend my patients, that to activate your lymphatic system, that you can use, for example, a roller to massage the serum in. So you have 2 benefits. First of all, the serum after the essence, which primed the skin to get it better absorbed. And then you can use one of the rollers, for example. Yeah, that's cool. That's from Joanna.
Yeah, I love Joanna.
I brought some last year from Seoul for the eyes as well, so there are tons, but this is very good.
So you apply your serum.
Yeah, then you just use it like this. So you have 2 benefits. You apply the serum and you also activate your lymphatic system.
And so
it feels nice because it's
feels
cool.
Amazing.
A little bit me time.
I love the self-care moment. And so you're pushing out all of, you're sculpting, you're pushing out all the lymph, moving it around, so you're getting increased circulation.
Yeah, and it's important to always do it like this, not down, of course.
Carve out those cheekbones.
We all want a sharp jawline, so.
Will it help drive the serum in further?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so you're getting a 2-fold benefit, right?
Yes.
I mean, it feels amazing.
Yeah, it feels amazing. What's pretty common now, we also do it in my clinic, is LED light. We do have, of course, in home devices, like the mask. I think we already brought one.
So this one has red light, blue light, and a combination therapy.
Yes, so
Which ones do you use at your clinic?
In the clinic we use red light to activate the fibroblasts to produce new collagen.
How do I look?
You look perfect. Very spacey.
Yeah, right?
And the blue light is good for acne skin because the blue light kills germs, bacteria. So that's good to do when you have acne problems.
Breakouts.
But in the clinic we mainly use LED. It's like a tunnel, so patients are in that tunnel 15 minutes. Important to say, in the clinic and at home you have to do it regularly. So when you do it only once a week or once a month, it's okay, it's better than not doing it, but you really have to do it like gym. twice a week at least at home with a mask, or if you see a doctor in the office, at least twice a week for 15 minutes, like, yeah.
So it's
seeing
gonna
a
help.
trainer at the gym.
It's going to help shrink pores. If you're using the red light in particular.
And also activating the fibroblasts on the long term to produce new collagen.
Great.
So it also has an anti-aging benefit. And yeah, it's good, it works, but you have to do it regularly.
And would you put a cream on underneath and then put the LED mask? Does that amplify the effects at all? Or?
I recommend doing that because then you have the double effect, you know.
Okay.
You have the cream which soaks in and you have the LED light. So you
Brilliant.
have two things in 3 minutes, which is good, you save time. So you should apply a little bit of that cream.
It's got like a whipped texture to it.
Yeah, it looks like whipped cream.
Yeah.
It's very light, so some people who are used to richer textures might think this is not rich enough.
Yeah.
But as the complex is in liposomes, and
so there's fern in here as well.
Yes, of course. We have the patented complex in here, hyaluronic acid. We have a type of vitamin A. We have vitamin C from the acerola cherry. And we have macadamia nut oil as well to moisturize. And it feels light, but as the liposomes release the ingredients over 12 hours, so even at night you still feel, okay, that's enough.
Yeah, it's very lightweight, but I feel dewy and hydrated. The dead giveaway is always around the eyes. Puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles. What can we do to kind of soften those?
If you apply your eye cream, it's important that you combine this again with a small kind of lymphatic drainage, which is also good against the puffiness.
Okay.
You know, like
little
this.
tap action.
Yeah. So I always use 2 fingers.
Combination therapy here.
You get used to it. I think it's good.
It feels great.
Yeah, it feels good, and it also helps.
It's like muscle memory.
Again, like the LED, you have to do it every night, but then
Right.
you see a difference. And then the rest of the cream, I always recommend to my patients, use it around the lip line, you know, because this is an area we always forget, you know. And never forget the upper eyelid, you know, because a lot of us, I know, a lot of us just use it here under the eyes. Don't forget the upper eyelid. And as the older you get, we all get heavier eyelids, so we get wrinkles over our eyebrow. So the rest, like I said, lip line and also a little bit here, you know, in that area here.
Yeah.
You don't have it because you're still young, but at a certain point, the eyelids get heavier.
Staring down the barrel of 40, okay?
Yeah, so
I need
the
to
best
step
thing
it
is to
up.
prevent.
Yeah, prevent. So you touched on, you know, as we're getting older, things tend to go south.
Yes.
What can we do? Is there something that we can keep the lifted look?
What I always recommend my patients again, but I'm also doing it myself, is like keeping the body tension, you know?
Yeah,
you
stand
should
up
also
straight.
try to keep your face tension, you know? So when you walk on the street, don't do like this. Always have a tension, so smile not only from the inside, always try to smile, not like the Joker, but a little bit, you know? A little tension. And this helps, you see? Because if you do this over 20 years, of course, the dropping is faster. Yes, you do. I think in everyday life, when no one sees you, always try to keep the tension. That's important. And then you can do things like... And
how do I look?
Good. Very happy. And also important...
It's tension without the crazy eyes, right?
And you also have to think about that you press your tongue.
On the roof of the mouth.
Yes. Especially when pictures are taken, like... And this
I
also...
I might look weird, but I can definitely feel the muscles activating.
Yeah, you do. Don't overdo it, because then you get those muscles a little bit prominent, and then we need to inject Botox.
But I can come see you for that, right?
Yes, please.